Phil? What do you call that thing?
2 words! M-Scream!
Let's get ready to rumble!
That's it. Dance around. Dance around. Watch the teeth. Watch the teeth. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Lead with your left. Lead with your left. You're on the left.
Hey, Phil. That wasn't so hard.
Kid. How many horns do you see?
6.
Close enough. Let's get you cleaned up.
Guys, relax. It's only halftime.
That doesn't sound good. Definitely not good! Slicing thing! I don't think we covered this one in basic training!
My favorite part of the game. Sudden death.
There goes another one. Just like Achilles.
Game, set, match.
Phil, you gotta admit, that was pretty heroic.
You did it, kid! You did it! You won by a landslide!
What do you know?